ProLibro, an advanced content delivery platform, has the capability to seamlessly initiate a captivating virtual reality experience directly within its maintenance procedures. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, ProLibro seamlessly integrates VR simulations, allowing technicians to immerse themselves in a virtual environment that replicates real-life scenarios. With a simple command, ProLibro can trigger a VR experience, enabling technicians to practice complex tasks, troubleshoot equipment, and enhance their skills in a safe and controlled virtual setting. This innovative feature not only revolutionizes maintenance procedures but also promotes efficiency, accuracy, and knowledge retention among technicians, ultimately resulting in optimized performance and reduced downtime.